this is Titi, and today we are preparing an appetizer, aka Taramasalata Prawn Crackers. You will see it's very easy and fast to realize. For this you will need 100 grams of Taramasalata, 12 prawn crackers, 6 pink shrimps that have already been cooked and shelled, as well as 12 leaves of meat. If you enjoyed this video, please do push the thumb up, subscribe for more cooking videos, and turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started now. Spread the 12 prawn crackers in a plate. Make sure also to choose concave up crackers rather than slightly flat ones. Oh, what the heck, it's so hard. Then place 1/2 teaspoon of tarasamalata in the middle of each crackers. Oops, mint fast. Add 1 small mint leaf on top of each tarasamalata. Much better. Finally, finish up by adding 1/2 shrimp on top of each leaves. If the tail is still on, just remove it like I did. And just like this, it's done. This is so pretty. Let's add a touch of pastel colors. So much better, as she would say. Take a look, come closer. Okay, comes the time of the tasting now. In order to avoid them to be soft, we need to eat them right away. Bon appetit! I usually don't like seafood, but this is really good. I like it. It's salty though, because of the crackers and the tarasamalata. Taramasalata. Give that to your invitees. It's for 4 persons, depending on how much you eat and how much your invitees eat. It's an appetizer, so it's not meant for you to eat tons of it. It's just 3 per person approximately. And yeah, that's really nice. I haven't eaten these crackers for so long. I don't even remember the last time I ate shrimp crackers. So, it has been such a wonderful day. The weather is shitty right now. I don't know how yours is. I'm excited to film another video for you, and I can't wait to share that with you. You know, Easter is coming soon too. It's on Monday of April 18th, if I remember correctly. This is the first day of the second week of vacations here. I'm going to share with you some recipes for the eggs and all, and I can't wait to prepare this, because this time around I'm not going to put the video up a week later. It's going to be on time and it's going to be in advance, so you can prepare something for your little children and for yourself for this wonderful chocolate holiday. Okay, so without any further ado, I should edit this video so you can have it as soon as possible, and I can film another video afterwards. I'm so excited because I really want to try the Easter eggs and share with you how to prepare them and have some fun together. So yeah, it's ecstatic. Have a wonderful day, and I love you, and I hope we will be 1000 soon. So let's be at 100 first.